Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to automate birthday messages in ManyChat for 2025 using the Automate with AI option. This lets you set it up with just one instruction and the system will do the rest. Step 1. Log into ManyChat and click on Automate with AI. This is where you can describe what you want the bot to do. Step 2. In the prompt box, type a clear instruction. For example, ask the user for their birthday, save it, and send them a happy birthday message every year on their birthday. Step 3. Let the AI generate the flow for you. It will automatically build the steps to collect the birthday, store it in a custom field, and schedule the message for the right date. Step 4. Customize the birthday message with your own text, image, or offer. Step 5. Save and activate the automation. From now on, whenever a user gives their birthday, ManyChat will automatically send them your special message on their birthday every single year. And that is it. You just created a working birthday automation in ManyChat 2025 without coding or complicated setup. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next.